Are you a mom wanting to make money online? In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can do this. Being able to make money online as moms is such an incredible opportunity these days because it gives us the flexibility that we want and need. You're able to choose how and when you want to work, and the best part is you don't need any experience in order to get started. As moms, we face challenges of trying to balance family and a career or finances, but being able to work from home, online, or from anywhere, it really frees up that opportunity for us because we can make a living online and be able to still spend and care for our kids at the same time. So oftentimes as moms, one of the big constraints we have is time, right? You wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is care for your children, whatever their needs may be, depending on how old they are. For me, I've got an infant at home right now. So the first thing in the morning, he needs to be cared for. He needs to be fed. But I can find times while he's napping throughout the day in order to get my income earning activities done. And so I make my business fit into my life instead of the other way around. Another thing I know moms struggle with, because it's something I have struggled with, is having that guilt. So maybe right now you're not able to work from home and you have that guilt of leaving your kids with daycare or someone else, or just not being able to be there for all of the moments that you want to be there for. Whereas when you're able to find a way to work from home, you're able to balance the two and you don't have to have that guilt because you can fit it into the pockets of your time. The good news is that moms are crushing it working online, finding these opportunities in order to make an income and fit it into their schedule. So if they can do it, you can do it. So now the question becomes, how is this done? How are people actually being successful and making this happen? So one of the ways you can do this is by freelancing. So if you have a specific set of skills, let's just use logo creation, for example. You can get on platforms where you offer your services to different companies and you would say, I will create a logo for you for X amount of dollars. And they pay you for the logo to be created. Another option is either affiliate marketing or direct sales, MLMs, those kind of things, where you are selling products to customers and getting a small commission in return for selling those companies' products. The third option, and my favorite, is digital marketing. That is because you can automate this business and have it working for you 24/7. So you either create a product yourself or you have a product that you have the resale rights to that you can sell and make 100% profit off of. Then you set it up to where it's fully automated for you so that it is selling for you 24/7. That is the difference between this opportunity versus the first two I mentioned. The first two, you're still having to actively trade your time for money in most cases in order to make an income. But with digital marketing, you can put in a couple hours a day of earning income activities, and then you have your automated system working for you in the background 24/7 while you are living your life and enjoying your time with your family. If you'd like to learn more about how you can do digital marketing, comment digital marketing below and I will send you my free PDF. What are some keys to being successful at making money online? Regardless of the way that you choose to do so, there's a few things that are required. One is consistency. So it is going to take some amount of work, some opportunities more work than others, in order to make money online, just like it would, the time that you clock in if you have a 9 to 5. Like, it is work. There's some amount of work to this. And consistency is key. You can't post online one day and then ghost for 30 days and then come back and post something and expect that you're going to be able to make a decent living online. This is something that you consistently need to do every day, but it will give you opportunities to be home with your family instead of being and working away from home 8 hours a day. You also may need to invest in yourself to learn new skills, depending on what skill sets you already have. So if you have a skill already that you can market and sell, then great. But if you don't and you still want to do this, then there are courses out there that will teach you exactly step by step how to make money online as a beginner with no following and no experience necessary. If you'd like to learn more about the course that I followed in order to make money online, go check out the link below in my description. I just want to leave with you, if this is something that you have been considering, you owe it to yourself to look into this further on how you can make money online, because it is completely possible. Here's a few examples of other moms like me who are using digital marketing as their way to make money online and having success with it. So if you're interested in digital marketing, be sure to grab my free PDF in my description of how to learn to earn 10K in 30 days. And make sure and like and stay tuned for the next video on additional digital marketing tips.